Second type of problem to test random number under frequency test is chisquare test. Okay. Consider the question: using chisquare test with level of significance alpha 0.05, test whether given data are uniformly distributed. With the test uses 10 intervals of equal length. Total number of sample data are given 100. Suppose in a question the total number of sample data are not given, then you add all the observation value. That became total number of sample data. This is a question given. Now we'll solve this problem. To solve this problem, the first step is find chi-square test is equal to x naught square is equal to summation I tends to 0 to n oi minus ei square divided by ei. So this is the first step. Second step, obtain a critical value from the table A6, that is x alpha comma n minus 1. And third step, check out chi-square test is less than the critical value or not. If it is less than or equal to, then accepted, otherwise random numbers are not uniformly distributed. Now this equation has been split into the form of table, interval, observation, expected. EI stand for expected of each interval. Now interval, suppose if interval is not given in a question, then interval will be start from 0 to n. If interval is given, whatever the interval is given in a question, write down as it is. Interval 1 to 10 is given in a question, and the observation is also given in a question. Next we need to find EI. EI is equal to uppercase n by small n, where uppercase n is total number of sample data, small n is interval. So 100 divided by 10, EI will get 100. First write down EI. For each interval is 10. Now OI minus EI. 8 minus 10 will get minus 2. 8 minus 10 will get minus 2. 10 minus 10 will get 0. 9 minus 10 will get minus 1. 12 minus 10 will get 2. 8 minus 10 will get minus 2. 10 minus 10 will get 0. 14 minus 10 will get 4. 10 minus 10 will get 0. 11 minus 10 will get 1. OI minus EI. Now OI minus EI square, 2 square 4, 0, 1 minus 1, 1, minus 2, 4, minus 2, 4, 0, 16, 0 and 1. Next, OI minus EI power of 2 divided by EI. So 4 divided by 10 will get 0.04. 4 divided by 10 will get 0.04. 0 divided by 10, 0. 1 divided by 10, 0.1. 4 divided by 10, 0.4. 4 divided by 10, 0.4. 0 divided by 10, 0. 16 divided by 10, 1.6. 0 divided by 10, 0. 1 divided by 10, 0.1. Now sum all this value, you will get 3.4. 3.4 is a x naught square value. Next step, obtain a critical value from the table A6. Alpha is given as 0.05. Comma, n is 10, number of interval is 10, minus 1, 9. So x 0.05 comma 9 from the table A6. From the table A6, alpha value is 0.05, n is 10 minus 1 9. From corresponding row, corresponding column, the critical value is 16.9. So we got critical value 16.9. Then check whether the random numbers are uniformly distributed or not. That is, x naught square should be less than or equal to x alpha comma n minus 1. So chi-square value we got 3.4. Critical value we got 16.9. So 3.4 is less than 16.9. Therefore, the random numbers are uniformly distributed and accepted. This is a problem.